Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Abhishek Chaudhary. So today we'll be understanding about the industry, about a company. What if I tell you that this industry, this company will continue to grow for the rest of the life? So will you invest in this industry or company? Please comment in the comment section. So the industry, the company which I'll be talking about is healthcare industry. The healthcare industry, has completely changed after the COVID, and we can tell that the industry would be continue to be growing forever because of the COVID and other situations. The industry will be growing. So the company which I'll be analyzing in this video is Vijaya Diagnostic Center. I've been in a I've been into the Vijaya Diagnostic Center multiple times, and personally speaking, the level of professionalism, the level of test, the level of diagnostic they do is really top notch at the very high level, and the accuracy of those tests are really good. So I personally been to it. It is the leading diagnostic Medicare services in the southern India. The centers are, located in the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana region, and it is been growing in the other areas, other states of the India. And let's get started. And if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that red button, and break that button, and please like, share, and comment into the video. So let's get started. Vijaya Diagnostic Center. It is one of the very prominent names in the healthcare and diagnostic industry right now, and it has been growing uh, very steeply, very working very hard and giving tough times to its competitors like Dr. Lalpath Lab or Metropolis Healthcare, and it is one of the very growing companies right now. It is the leading diagnostic Medi- Medicare service provider in the southern India and offers comprehensive services that includes nuclear medicine, radiology, laboratory, health checkups, and medical services. It provides, all the diagnostic services like all the health checkup test which is required in the healthcare industry, and it is one of the very prominent players, and the kind of services it is providing is very high level, and the test and the checkups which Vijaya Diagnostic Center is providing is very affordable, and the accuracy of the test levels are very high. And the company has 81 diagnostic centers and 11 reference laboratories across 13 cities, and it is one of the top companies in southern India, which is in the state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and it has recently opened its uh, this their centers in Delhi and Kolkata, and it is growing all, it is opening its all the centers across India. The company's vision is to provide reliable, accurate, and diagnostic services to its customers at affordable prices. The company is able to provide high accurate services, high accuracy test, and at a very affordable price by investing in their technology and integration with laboratory information management system, which played a very important role in their affordable prices, speed, and accuracy. And they are, getting in line with their current technology, like they are using the new technology which is in the market, and being line in the latest technology with continuous improvement and recruitment of high caliber technician and professionals, which has played a high role in their prominent growth. One of the main concerns about the diagnostic companies and about the all this diagnostic industry is that how much they are able to go away from their COVID revenues to their other revenues. Like COVID has, passed a lot, it has gone, but how much they are making after their COVID, how much are their revenue non-COVID business, and as we can see that they have witnessed a significant on-year increase in demand for non-COVID businesses across both radiology and pathology segments. And the company's geography footprint is Hyderabad is one of the main areas of their accounted for 85% of share of the total revenues in the last 2 years, and it is one of the major areas of their revenue. And what the business strategy what the company is able to follow and is able to grow very significantly is that they follow this hubs and spokes model, where they construct a hub which is the main center which all the tests and have been carried out, a lab, and they construct this all small spokes around the city and around the areas, and where the customers, the people can visit these spokes and uh, get their needs and ask for tests, and these folks would go to the hubs and carry out the test and get the results, which is you know is less expenditure and higher margins. And in the later part of the video I'll be comparing with their competitors, how Vijay Diagnostic Center is you know more profitable, and the margins the company has is way more than their competitors like Dr. Lalpat or Metropolis. And this is the reason why it is prominent player. And these are the numbers. The 250 corporate clients, it has 250 plus corporate clients, apart from their B2C customers, and 20 NABL and NABH certified labs. And if you compare with their competitors, these are numbers give a tough competition. They are in line with their competitors. They have carried 50 plus millions of customers, and they are present in 121 centers across India and 20 cities, and they have employed 2,400 plus employee staff, and which includes high India's premier pathologist and radiologist, microbiologist. And the accuracy uh, they are providing is because of this high caliber staff. And the company is investing in the top tier equipment such as TMRI, TMRI and CT scans and gamma camera and other cutting edge technologies, which is you know able to grow their customer base to 10 million tests till now they have carried out. And this is the reason you know it is one of the prominent players in the industry. And the modes what the company has is it is the leader in high growth market. As I have said, the Vijay Diagnostic Center is uh, largest largest company in terms of growth, in revenue, in terms of growth in the financial year 20. There's a very high growth in that financial year, the company. And B2C model, it has this B2C and this hubs and spokes model, which gives them a edge in the industry. And they are in line with the best infrastructure class infrastructure, integrated with one stop solutions. They provide all the you know healthcare healthcare facilities like tests and all. And I have been into their centers, and they do all kinds of tests. You name it, the tests have been there. There's nothing like you won't find a particular test here. And the digital initiatives which they have taken investment in top tier technologies, as I have said, these are the modes what the company has, which gives them a edge uh, with their competitors. And these are some of the numbers which the company has given: 10 plus million tests performed, and they have 8 PET CT gamma machines, 23 MRI machines, 23 CT machines across 121 centers. And if you look at the one of the main main part of doing a fundamental analysis is to compare with their competitors, like compare all the numbers with their competitors. And if you look at stock P ratio is 52. It is not very high, but it is fine. Stock P is 52, and ROC, return on capital employed, is 18.4%. And if we compare it with their competitors, Metropolis is also, the P ratio is close to 54.5 and ROC is 17.4%. Vijaya is 18.4, Metropolis is 17.4, and Dr. Lal Path is 18.2%. It is in line with the competitors, and Dr. Lal Path is the one of the leading diagnostic test provider in the country, and Metropolis is second. It is giving a tough competition to their competitors. And return on equity is 16.6. If you compare with Dr. Lal Path is 15% and it is 15.2. If you look at quarterly numbers are very consistent. There is not a very significant growth, but numbers are consistent, as you can see. The margin, if you look at the margin is very, as you can see, 45%, 43%, 41%, 40%. This is the margin they have been carried throughout their quarters, and it is consistent. If you look at with Dr. Lal Path Labs, margins are 20%. Dr. Lal Path Labs are 20, 27%, 25%. That is the average what the operating margins are. And if you look at Metropolis, the margins are same. Yeah, it is same as Dr. Lal Path. The margins are close to 20-25%. Whereas Vijaya Diagnostic, the margins are 40%, which gives them an edge, as I think they are doing something right, which gives them this, high margin. And quarterly profits are there. It's not like they are not profitable. They are profitable. As the company grows, there would be more profits. Liabilities, short-term liabilities are 61 CR. Borrowings, long-term borrowings are 248 CR. And short-term assets should be, we should compare the short-term liabilities with the short-term assets. Can the company, fulfill their short-term liabilities with the short-term assets? They are liquid. It is liquid, and as you can see, short-term assets are 163, which is where short-term liabilities are way below the short-term assets. Fixed assets are 524 CR. There's nothing, wrong with the financials. Financials are very good, fine, very healthy, and cash from operating activities also there 165, and it is investing this cash in the company. And if you look at the graph is, it has corrected in the recent time. I think there was high valuation, so the market has corrected, but it has given a, as you can see, the trend line, it has given a breakout, and it has started to create this trend, upside trend. And as you can see, there is this, it has given a trend and it has given a pullback, and this is the 200 moving average, which could be your, stop loss point, or if you enter it right now. So there's nothing wrong with the company is working very fine, and yeah, it's up to you if you want to invest or not in the company. The graph looks fine. That's it from my side, guys. Please like the video, share the video, and comment in the comment section. And if you like something interesting about the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please go and watch my other videos on Adani Transmission, Adani Power, Adani Ports, and ZF Commercial Vehicle, CMS Finance, Info Systems. So please go and visit my channel, and you can follow me on Instagram on this user ID. And thank you, and I'll be back with another video. See you, bye.